Welcome to the day in the life of a research assistant. My name is Makena, and I'm a second-year PhD student in mechanical engineering at Herrick Labs. I start my day around 8 a.m. with a quick breakfast and check my emails before heading off to campus on my bike. I met with two other students to study for our upcoming math area exam. Around 11, I went to my office space at Herrick, where I worked on ordering a couple parts for our lab-scale prototype. I had lunch at my desk before a meeting with my advisors. Afterwards, I printed my notes for class and headed off to my first lecture of the day. The course is called Sustainable Energy Options and Analysis, and today we learned about the global carbon cycle. Lecture ended at 2:45, and I grabbed my bike and headed back to my apartment to grab my car. I drove to Herrick and picked up my lab mate, and we headed out to Zucro together to pick up a couple parts for an ongoing experiment at Herrick. My second lecture of the day is at 4:30, Numerical Methods in Wang Hall. After class, I walked with a friend over to the ASHRAE call-out meeting, where we had canes and learned about the club's semester activity plans. Afterwards, I headed back to my apartment, where I had a scheduled phone call with a Herrick Lab alumni who talked with me about career paths and options in industry. I finished the day with a workout at my apartment complex gym. Thanks for joining me for a day in the life of a research assistant.